Hi, this is Carla Pendleton again. I wanted to show you how I lay in the leaves on the pansy, and I wanted you to have a close-up view of it. So I'm making a separate recording here for a little more detail. So I'm moistening my finger with a little bit of the Art Aid medium. It's clean. I just put it in the dish. And I'm picking up a little bit of the old gold green and a touch of the black green. I'm going to lay in a roughly, I didn't pick up enough paint. Let me try it again. A roughly leaf shape for the pansy. It's really just a blob. Now I'm going to put a secondary color, and I'm choosing mallard because that's what I used on the video that I'm producing of the entire design. And that's really all there is to it. You've got a primary colors, you've got a basic leaf shape, and then you've got the secondary colors. I don't really use a brush to pull these colors together or anything. Sometimes there's background behind these leaves and sometimes there's not. So maybe we'll do a second leaf just to show that to you once again. Here's another leaf shape. This time I have a little bit more of the black green, so it's a little darker. And you can tell I'm always pulling those strokes in toward the center of the design. And usually I like to pull them in towards myself. That's just a personal preference. Okay, and here's a secondary color again. Of course, you could use another color if you wanted to, but I like the mallard on these pansy leaves, so we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Bye now, and God bless.